Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the best products for you. Today, we're going to dive into the Plusgutter White-2pack rain gutter downspout extensions, the best solution for managing water drainage around your home. If you've ever had water pooling near your foundation after a heavy rain, you know how important it is to redirect that water away. That's exactly what the Plusgutter downspout extension does, and it does it better than most options out there. Designed to help protect your home's foundation and keep your gutters in top shape, these flexible, extendable downspout extenders can stretch from 21 inches all the way to 68 inches, giving you the flexibility to handle any situation. These extensions are made from a durable, weather-resistant material that ensures they'll last for years, even in harsh weather conditions. Whether it's heavy rainfall or intense sunlight, these extenders won't crack, fade, or warp, making them a reliable long-term investment for your home. Installation is incredibly easy. You don't need any special tools or advanced DIY skills to get them up and running. Simply attach the extensions to your downspout, adjust them to the desired length, and you're good to go. The flexibility of the material allows you to direct the water exactly where you want it to go, keeping your yard, driveway, or garden free from excess water. But it's not just about protecting your home. These Plusgutter downspout extensions also make your life easier. They are designed to be lightweight and simple to move, which means if you need to reposition them during the seasons or for maintenance, you can do so without breaking a sweat. The 2-pack set is a great value, providing you with 2 downspout extensions for a reasonable price. And since they're extendable, they're perfect for homes of different sizes and configurations. Whether you need to go longer for a bigger yard or shorter for tighter spaces, you've got the flexibility to adjust. And let's not forget their sleek white design, which seamlessly blends with most home exteriors. Plus, the color helps to reflect sunlight, which means less wear and tear over time. If you're after a solution that not only works but also looks good, the Plusgutter extensions will fit right into your home's aesthetic. So if you're looking to prevent water damage, protect your home's foundation, and make sure your gutters are working efficiently, the Plusgutter White-2pack rain gutter downspout extensions are a must-have. Trust us, these will make a noticeable difference in how your home handles rainwater, and they'll last you for years. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique. Make sure to hit the like button if you found this review helpful. And don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews on the best products available. See you next time.